Hey everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani from Designs by Mamta. Today I'm going to show you a stitch pattern. It is a simple lace pattern which I have used in two of my patterns. One is the Pinwheel Flower Earrings, and the second one is my Ostara Skirt, which I was going to release this spring, but I couldn't due to some personal reasons. So this Pinwheel Flower Earrings will be released very soon, and I'm just showing you how the petals are done. So I start with, this one is a knot, and I start with 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. There is a reason why I started with 5 chains instead of a magic ring, because within the pattern there is a spot wherein you have to take 3 chains, so this is a repetition of that itself. So I slip stitch in the beginning chain and close off the loop. Now in the loop I take some stitches. So starting with 2 chains, I take 2 chains, and then I make 8 double crochet. So this is my first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now what you will do is you will do 3 chains. This is one chain, 2 chains, 3 chains. Then you turn your work anti-clockwise, okay, and you skip 1 and 2 double crochet and slip stitch in the third double crochet. Now you see, I told you in the beginning there are 5 chains, so if you count these, there will be 1 2 3 chains, and you count this and this double crochet, so there will be the space is equal to 5 chain space. Okay, so you will make all the spaces will be equal and not mismatched. So now this was the first petal. This is actually a trim pattern, lace or a trim pattern. Okay, so this is chain 1 2, then you turn your work anti-clockwise and do, in this chain space you do 8 double crochet. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so the second petal is done now, and see the space, this space is equal to this space. Okay, so this is slightly bigger, but that's fine. So now again 2 chains. So this will be a repetition now, repetition of this one. So 2 chains, turn the work anti-clockwise, slip stitch in the third double crochet, chain 2, and then 8 double crochet in the chain 3 space. So this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, so the third petal is done. See how like a pinwheel, it's going like a pinwheel. So now the next one. So chain 2, turn the work anti-clockwise, slip stitch in the third DC, chain 2, turn the work anti-clockwise, 8 double crochet in chain 3 space. That's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 7 and 8. Okay, see, this is the fourth petal. Now chain 2 again, turn anti-clockwise, slip stitch in the third double crochet, chain 2, turn the work anti-clockwise, and 8 double crochet in the chain 3 space. So first, second, third, let me get this out of the way, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this one is the last one, and eighth. Okay, so if you see this properly, now it looks like a pinwheel. So these are the outer petals of the pinwheel flower. Now I will be joining it over here, and it's complete. The outer portion, the outer petals are complete. Now for the pinwheel flower, I don't do one step, which I'll show you for the skirt, for the Ostara skirt. What I do is I make these a lot of times for the belt portion, okay, and then I just pull this like this. I pull this so it becomes straight and like a good trim pattern. Okay, so for the skirt I do it like this, and for the flower I don't pull it, so it stays in a round, nice round shape. I hope you liked it and hope this was helpful for you and you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.